Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our random drive from Greensburg, Louisiana to New Orleans. We begin on Interstate 55 South in Tanigpahoa Parish, near the town of Independence. We're around 40 miles from the southern terminus of I-55 at Laplace. Exit 36 provides access to Louisiana Highway 442, which leads east to the village of Tikfaw, an Indian name that means rest among the pines. At exit 32, LA 3234 and University Avenue head east to Southeastern Louisiana University, and the name is Wardline Road to the west, not carrying any state highway number. We enter the city of Hammond at a half-diamond, half-cloverleaf interchange with U.S. Highway 190. Hammond is the largest city in Tanigpahoa Parish, with a population of 21,359 at the 2020 census. We see some congestion as we approach the underbuilt Cloverleaf interchange with Interstate 12. I-12 heads west to Baton Rouge and east to Slidell, bypassing most of the New Orleans metro area. Here we begin to see New Orleans as the control city of I-55, even though I-55 doesn't quite make it to New Orleans. Exit 28 leads to US 51 North, and from here on, almost to the end of I-55, will be concurrent with US 51 South. As we approach exit 26, a blue sign announces that this is the last opportunity for fuel for the next 26 miles, as we'll be getting out of the populated area and onto one of the longest bridges over water in the world, falling just a couple of miles short of the nearby Lake Pontchartrain Causeway, which is the longest bridge over water in the world. Exit 23 leads to the south end of the US 51 business route through Ponchatoula, and this is the end of civilization for a while. We'll see one more exit that leads to what they call a frontage road, but it's actually old US 51 that runs alongside I-55. There's not much on Old 51, except for some fishing camps, Port Manchac, and a popular restaurant right in the middle at the pass. The Manchac Swamp Bridge, which you're about to cross, is the longest bridge in the U.S. interstate highway system at 22.8 miles. Exit 15 leads down to Old US 51 at Manchac, and ahead the roadway rises up over past Manchac to accommodate shipping traffic. We conclude our video here as we enter St. John the Baptist Parish. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.